Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. And I know I have told you many times that having a winch is like the first thing you need to have on your Jeep as a recovery option. But today I'm going to be showing you a recovery kit because we also need a recovery kit on every single Jeep. And I was looking for a recovery kit like this because many times many other recovery kits include many things that we are never going to use. So I was looking for something special that includes just the things that we need, and at the same time I was looking for something that wasn't going to break the bank. So I found it, and today's video is going to be all about that. So don't go anywhere, guys, because today's video might help you. And here it is, guys. And Gear America contacted me through Instagram, and in case you're not following me on Instagram, just follow me. It is going to be the same as my name here, @offroad&chill. Just follow me. And I posted this picture of this many days ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, and you guys were amazed by this because this kit only includes the necessary things you're going to need at a very affordable price. And the best thing about this kit is also that they have lifetime warranty, so it doesn't matter what you do with this, you're not going to break it. And now finally I'm going to show you what's inside, and after that I'm going to show you how to use every single item that this kit includes. So don't go anywhere. And here it is, guys, and let me tell you that we're going to be using every single item on this bag and also the bag, and I'm going to show you why in a second. Okay, let's open it up. And on the first pocket we're going to have the SnapLock, and I'm going to show you how to use it in just a second. Let's put it outside. On the second pocket we used to have the D-rings, and these are some really heavy duty D-rings, and I already have it on the front of my Jeep, but I'm going to show them to you just in 1 second. On the third pocket we have some really heavy duty glove, and I have tried them before, and I can tell you that these are really nice. And on the last pocket we have some paperwork and stickers, but we are not going to be using these right now. Okay, and now on the front of the bag there is another pocket, and it includes the tree saver, and we're going to be using this in just a second. And we're going to be using this with the winch, especially with a winch. If we want to hook the winch to like a tree or something, we're going to be using this one. And now on the other pocket, on the other side, we are going to have this strap, and we're going to be using this one when we don't have a winch or we have a crazy situation that we have to pull a Jeep or any other vehicle with another vehicle, and this is what it is used for. And also maybe to extend the winch line, but well, these are some extreme cases. And guys, just to let you know, the link to this product, to this kit, is going to be on the description down below, so just check them out. And now I'm going to be showing you how to use every single item on this kit. I know many of you already know how to use them, but many of you are new to this Jeep life and don't know how to use them. So let me show you how to use them. And now, guys, I'm going to be using the tree savers, and I'm going to be showing you how to use it. So we're going to get this is the tree saver, and we're going to be also using the D-ring that this kit brings. And as you can see, this is the D-ring, and it is very solid, guys. This is something very good built. So we're going to, and I'm going to show you something that many people do wrong with the tree saver. Let me show you just in 1 second. Let's attach the tree saver. And I have seen many people doing this wrong. Many people think that it is like this, and it is not like this, guys, because you can choke this tree. The right way to do it is by attaching both ends of this tree saver to the D-ring, just like this. Now we can close it. And this is the right way to attach a tree saver to a tree. just like this. And now the next step will be to attach the winch to the tree saver. Let's do that. And this is exactly how it is going to look like, something like this. And now we're going to be using this bag because this bag has some weights underneath. We're going to use it and put it on the middle of this winch line, something like this. And you may be asking yourself, why do we need to do that? We need to do it because if the line breaks, it's going to go flying somewhere, and we don't want this line, if it breaks, to do that. We want this line, if it breaks, to go down to the floor and don't hit anything, especially if you don't have the synthetic line. If you have the regular cable line, it is going to go fly anywhere. So it is a safety precaution to be putting this bag there with a weight. And now we're gonna start winching the Jeep out. And now I'm going to be showing you how to use the SnapLock. You have different ways to use it, but let me show you some of the ways. So to have this on your kit is, for example, if you need more power out of your winch, let's say that you have a 9,000 pound winch, you can use this, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And you can double the power of your winch. For example, if you have a 9,000, you are going to have an 18,000 pound winch. Let me show you how to use it. For example, if you want to use it to double the power of your winch, we're going to be attaching this snatch block to the tree saver. Let me show you how to do it, but it's really easy, guys. First, we need to pass this line through like this, and then close it out. Let me see if I can get some of this line. Okay, something like this. Just pass it through, and then you can close this D-ring. And you're going to have something like this, a roller like this. And now let me show you what to do with the other end. And now we're going to use the other D-ring and to put it here. Just like this, guys. Very simple. And this is how it's going to look like. And of course we need to put this in the middle of this, and the other end is going to look like this. And now by just having this like this, we're going to double the power of this winch. Very simple. Just start winching out, and that's it. Now the next way to use it is, for example, if you have a friend stuck in front of you and you don't want to bring it back with a winch, you want your friend to go forward, you're going to be using this snatch block and attach it like this on some tree over there, and just attach your friend like to the front of your friend's Jeep like this. Let me show you how to do it because it is really simple, guys. For example, I'm using this. Just imagine that this bag is your friend's Jeep or your friend's vehicle, and you need to go forward, not the same way that you came from. So just by having the winch line over there, the snatch block, and you are going to have your friend going forward just like that. And that's another awesome way to use the snatch block, as you can see. And well, guys, those are the two most common ways to use the snatch block. But if you want to see a little bit more how to use it, just some tricks, just let me know in the comments below. and maybe I can do another video just showing you how to use the SnapLock, showing you some like tricks or something. But well guys, that's everything we have for today. Just remember that I'm going to be including the link so you can check these products out, this kit out. I'm going to be putting them in the description below. And that's everything we have for today, guys. Just if you like this video, just hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and see you on the next video. Bye.